For the past few weeks, my life has been total chaos. If you saw my video yesterday, you will know that I was hesitant to weigh me after being sick. On top of that, I'm revamping my studio, so everything has been a mess. And right in the middle of it all, the one tool that was keeping me grounded on my weight loss journey got packed away. I'm talking about my marbles. Yes, literally I put them away for safekeeping while tearing the studio apart, but then couldn't find them in the chaos. This is my real-world implementation of Atomic Habits, making progress visual, and not having it was frustrating. But unboxing them wasn't just about getting my system back, it was a powerful confirmation of how far I have come. And it is the reason why I'm finally celebrating a milestone I almost missed. So if you are new here, welcome to the channel. Here is how the system works. My journey started 65 days ago on January the 6th, and I set up 2 jars. One was filled with marbles, each one representing a kilo I wanted to lose. The other jar was empty. Every time the number on the scale goes down, I get to move 1 marble over. It's a simple concept, but the physical act that's satisfying click as the marble drops into the kilos lost jar. It's a powerful motivator. It makes your progress tangible. It's not just a number on a screen. It's something you can see, and on those days when you feel like you're not moving forward, those visual confirmation makes all the difference. And then life got chaotic. We started the studio revamp, and my workspace turned into a disaster zone of dust and boxes. And if that wasn't enough, I got pretty sick and couldn't work out or stick to my fasts. In the middle of it all, my marble jars were packed away. It's been about 3 weeks since I made the marble video. Without that daily visual anchor, it's easy to get into your own head and lose sight of the progress you're making. You know that feeling when your routine is gone and you start to question if your hard work is paying off? My disorganized studio felt like a perfect reflection of my disorganized process. If you ever felt your routine gets completely thrown off by chaos, whether it's on the weight loss journey or just in life, hit that subscribe button and tell me about it in the comments. It helps you to know you're not alone in this. We've got this. But then, last week, I was clearing out a box that was mostly dust, and there they were, my jars, my marbles. Before I packed them up, there was 58 marbles left in the to-go bottle and 26 in the lost bottle. And seeing them again really drove the point home. Even without my tracking system for a few weeks, even when my routine was completely disrupted, I had kept going. I was still making progress. So today I'm sitting here with you and we're gonna get that tracker up to date. I'm moving 5 marbles over to represent the 5 kilos I lost while these jars were boxed up. And let me tell you, it isn't just about updating a system, it's about proving something to myself. It is this concrete moment of realizing that even when you're feeling like you literally lost your marbles, you haven't actually lost your way.